Turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the diesel filter that is located in the lower left of the engine compartment. With a socket wrench and a 30mm Torx socket, remove the 5 screws that hold the diesel fuel filter. Once removed, separate the flange, fixing it in place with the tubes so that it doesn't get in the way of future stages. Using a large flathead screwdriver, lever off the washer on the diesel filter so you can remove it. Finish by hand, pulling upwards while turning anti-clockwise. Be careful, it will come out suddenly. Place a container to collect the liquid underneath. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, How to Make a Collector for Liquids. Replace the seal on the fuel inlet and outlet conduits as well as on the flange with the new ones provided in the new filter box. Compare the new filter with the old one, then insert it into the new filter element, pushing downwards to the bottom of the box. Carefully return it to its place, ensuring that you don't spill the contents of the filter box. Put the flange back, screwing the 5 screws back in. Operation completed.